Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. Whether you're a recent graduate from a non CS stream, someone making a career switch, or simply curious about the opportunities in tech, I want to welcome you warmly. Today's webinar is all about empowering individuals like you to break into the tech industry without a traditional computer science degree. We are going to explore the many alternative pathways that can lead you to a rewarding and impactful career in technology. Because, yes, it is absolutely possible, and the industry is more ready than ever to welcome diverse learners from all backgrounds. Let's begin by addressing the elephant in the room, the myth that you need a CS degree to succeed in tech. This belief was more relevant 2 decades ago, when formal education was the primary way to gain access to knowledge and networks. But today, the tech industry is undergoing a transformation. Companies are no longer solely focused on credentials. Instead, they are looking for skills, practical experience, and a passion for learning. Many of the most successful people in tech, founders, engineers, and innovators, either didn't study computer science or are completely self taught. The rise of boot camps, online platforms, contributes, con- source con- open source contributions, and freelance opportunities has democratized. What time is this one democratized? Uh, 3, 2, 1. T. Oh, that's him. Has democratized access to the field. If you're willing to learn, practice, and build, there's a place for you in tech. So, how do you get started? First, it's important to identify the various domains within the tech industry. Often, when we think of tech, we immediately think of software development, but the field is vast. You can explore roles like data analysis, user experience design, cybersecurity, product management, digital marketing, cloud computing, and even roles like technical writing or support engineering. The first step is figuring out where your interests align. For instance, if you come from a mathematics or economics background, data science or analytics may be a great fit. If you enjoy design and creativity, UX or UI might resonate with you. If you've worked in customer support or operations, you might consider transitioning into product or project management in tech. Once you've identified your area of interest, the next step is to acquire the foundational knowledge and skills. Fortunately, you don't need to go back to college to do this. There are hundreds of high quality, affordable, and often free resources available online. Websites like Coursera, edX, Udemy, Khan Academy, FreeCodeCamp, and the Odin Project offer courses on everything from web development to cloud computing. YouTube, too, has become a treasure trove for learning. The key is to pick one learning path and stick to it long enough to gain confidence. You don't need to know everything before applying for a job. Start with the basics, build projects, and focus on learning by doing. Building a portfolio is one of the most powerful things you can do as a non traditional applicant. Whether you are learning web development, data science, or even cybersecurity, start small and work on personal projects. These could be a website for a friend's business, a data visualization dashboard, or automating something simple using Python. Document your journey on platforms like GitHub or even a personal blog. Employers love to see initiative and a portfolio proves that you can apply your knowledge in the real world. Internships and freelance work are also great ways to gain experience. You might not land your dream job, you might not land your dream job right away, but taking on small projects, contributing to open source initiatives, or even working as a teaching assistant for an online course can significantly boost your resume. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can help you find gigs to practice your skills and earn while you learn. Also consider also consider volunteering your skills for NGOs or local businesses. These experiences can be incredibly valuable on a resume and give you real-world problems to solve. Networking is another crucial component. It's often said your network is your net worth. And this is especially true in tech. Many job opportunities are never posted online and filled through referrals and fit and are filled through referrals. Join communities, both online and offline, where you can meet like-minded people. क्या थोड़ा वो एडिट कर दियो, थोड़ा सा पीछे कर दो, बस जरा सा पीछे हो सकता है वो लाइक ठीक है लाइक माइंडेड पीपल meet like-minded people. LinkedIn is a powerful platform. 2 लाइन बोलने के बाद देना ठीक है हाँ ठीक है मतलब 2 meet like-minded people. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for this. Follow industry leaders, share your learning journey, and engage in meaningful conversations. Attend local meetups, hackathons, or webinars like this one. Twitter and Discord also host vibrant tech communities where you can connect, learn, and even collaborate on projects. Let's also address the value of mentorship. Finding someone who's walked the path before you can be incredibly helpful. A mentor can offer guidance, provide feedback, and help you avoid common pitfalls. Platforms like ADP List, Coding Coach, and even LinkedIn can connect you with mentors who are willing to support newcomers. If you can't find a mentor immediately, don't worry. You can also follow experienced professionals through their blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels to learn from their journeys. Now, let's take a moment to talk about certifications. While they're not a requirement, they can help validate your skills, especially when you're transitioning from a different field. For example, if you're entering cloud computing, certifications from AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure can make your resume stand out. In data science, certifications in Python, SQL, or TableAU can be a plus. In cybersecurity, CompTIA, Security Plus, or Certified Ethical Hacker might be useful. Choose certifications that are well recognized in the industry and relevant to your chosen domain. Well, soft skills are equally important. Tech isn't just about writing code or crunching data. Communication, problem solving, adaptability, and teamwork are highly valued. Especially if you're moving into roles like project management, UX design, or tech support, your ability to understand user needs, convey ideas clearly, and collaborate with cross-functional teams can make you a standout candidate. These are skills many non-CS backgrounds already have, especially those coming from liberal arts, education, business, or customer service. When it comes to applying for jobs, don't get discouraged by the job descriptions that list CS degrees as a requirement. In many cases, these are more of a formality. Focus on the skills required and whether you can meet them through your portfolio and experience. Tailor your resume to highlight your projects. Practical experience and transferable skills include links to your GitHub portfolio or any live projects. Write a compelling cover letter that explains your journey, your passion for tech, and what you bring to the table. Prepare thoroughly for interviews. Practice common technical questions if you are going for coding. Sites like LeetCode, HackerRank, and InterviewBit are excellent for this. But also be ready for behavioral questions. How you work in a team, how you approach problems, and how you have dealt with challenges. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result to structure your answer and make your response compelling and result. Let's not forget, rejection is a part of the journey. You may not get the first job you apply for, and that's okay. Every interview is a learning experience. Reflect, improve, and keep going. The tech industry is vast, and there are many doors you can open with persistence and growth. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and your background can be your unique advantage. Tech companies are increasingly prioritizing diverse perspectives, and your different way of thinking may just be the best asset they're looking for. To recap, here's a roadmap. Identify your area of interest, choose one learning path, build projects, share your journey online, gain experience through freelancing or internships, network actively, and apply fearlessly. Your degree does not define your destiny. Your skills, efforts, and curiosity do. As we come to a close, I want to leave this thought. The tech industry is not a gated community anymore. It's an open ecosystem. There is room here for artists, writers, teachers, scientists, and entrepreneurs. There's room for you, whether you are 20 or 40. A career in tech is within reach if you are willing to put in the work and stay curious. The future belongs to the learners, not just the traditionally educated. So go ahead, take the first step. Your tech journey starts today, and I'm excited to see where it takes you. Thank you once again for being here. I hope this session gave you clarity, confidence, and a practical directions. If you have questions or want to continue the conversation, feel free to reach out or connect after the session. Keep building, keep learning, and remember, the tech world is waiting.